Damihan natin yung mga scholarships, damihan natin yung mga slots. Your classmates na drop out because of RLE, if you had more nurses, maybe there would be no more nurses here also, di ba? So damihan mo yung pagpasok ng mga nurse para mapuno natin yung mga hospitals dito. And kayo naman, you're paying so much, you have to make that back. Di ba? Kailangan you have to get that money back, and the best way to get that back is to go abroad. Right? O what if magawa tayo ng scholarship, libreng RLE, pero may work service sa Pilipinas? Okay lang, di ba? How about that? Oh, we'll give you a RLE scholarship, but you work here for 3 years. So at least for 3 years, meron kang nurses sa mga hospital natin. And then choice mo na where to go after, di ba?